Hey, what's up everyone? If you're looking to create the professional presentation without the hassle of expensive software like PowerPoint, I've got something fascinating to show you today. We're going to design a beautiful presentation using WPS Slides, a free alternative to PowerPoint. WPS Slides offers all the features of PowerPoint but for free and without the hassle of subscriptions or complicated menus. Whether you're making a business pitch, a school project, or need to get something together quickly, WPS Slides has got you covered. So let's jump right in. First things first, when you open up WPS Slides, you'll see a really clean and simple interface. It's super user-friendly, just like PowerPoint, but without all the extra clutter. You have your slides on the left and the main workspace is right in the middle. To get started, click on Create from Template and instantly choose from a variety of templates. Now let's pick a template for our presentation. WPS Slides offers plenty of options that are ready to go, so you can start adding your content right away. Super easy and quick. Once you've picked your template, let's start customizing. I'll click on the title and change it to something like Annual Business Report. You can adjust the font size, color, and style with just a few clicks. It's all really smooth and simple. Moving things around is easy with the drag and drop feature. Now, I'd like to add another slide, so let's go ahead and click on New Slide. You'll notice there are plenty of different layouts to choose from. Let's grab one with both text and an image, which is perfect for showcasing key points. For the image, I'm going to click on Insert and choose Image. Then upload one from my computer. You can resize and move the image exactly where you want it on the slides. Everything's just drag and drop, so there's no hunting for options in a menu.
We can't forget about animations. Animating your text or images can make the presentation pop and keep the audience engaged. Click on the Animations tab at the top, and you'll find options like Fade, Fly In, and more. Let's go with Fly In for the title text, just a little touch to make it stand out. If you want, you can also add transitions between slides, like having one slide wipe in from the left or right. It's a small thing, but it makes the whole presentation feel polished. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and export. This part is easy. Click File, then Save As, and you can choose to save it as a WPS file, a PowerPoint file, or even a PDF. So if you're presenting somewhere that only accepts PowerPoint, no problem. WPS Slides has you covered. And there you go! In just a few minutes, you've got a professional-looking presentation ready to go. It's really that simple. With WPS Slides, you get all the features of PowerPoint, but for free, without the hassle of subscriptions or complicated menus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips. And remember, you can download WPS Office for free from the link in the description below. Watch our next video to learn how to edit PDFs like a pro with WPS PDF. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.